Hello and welcome to Highways TV National PR News. This is Chaitanya Muddam. Telangana state government is spending rupees 100 crores on attending 12,000 dialysis patients in 43 government hospitals in the state. 150 kidney transplants are done free of cost per annum in government hospitals in Telangana state. We had 3 dialysis centers before Telangana formed, but after we came into power, we took the number to 43, informed T. Harish Rao while addressing a gathering at Jewel Gardens. He was chief guest at a function organized by Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Relief Foundation Trust BMJRFT to mark their achievement on 1 million dialysis. It was held on Saturday night at Jewel Gardens in Secunderabad. India's leading digital ecosystem for consumers and merchants, Paytm, has announced that its wholly owned subsidiary Paytm Money has launched voice trading that allows users to place a trade or get information about stocks via a single voice command. This service has been launched in line with Paytm Money's effort to offer next generation and AI tech to elevate user experience. The Indian Performing Rights Society Limited (IPRS), a representative body of music composers, lyricists and publishers, creates a new benchmark by distributing royalty amounting to rupees 325 crores in the past 2 years. The last 2 years have been challenging across various sectors. The music and entertainment industry was no exception. During this challenging time, IPRS aided its members with royalties when other sources of income got restricted. Medica Super Specialty Hospital, the largest private hospital chain in eastern India, has set a benchmark in treating patients on extracorporeal membrane oxygenator. The hospital is in its quest for superior and innovative treatment when it comes to any major form of treatment. For the first time in eastern India, Medica has conducted angioplasty on a 73-year-old patient on periprecoidal ECMO support. The entire treatment was done under the team of experienced doctors from departments of cardiology, cardiac surgery, critical care and cardiac anesthesiology. The Thiruvananthapuram Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union has scheduled a general meeting on December 9 to effect changes to bylaws as mandated by the recent amendment to the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act and set in motion the process of electing the new board of directors. Welcoming the amendment to the Act by the just concluded session of the State Assembly, Sri N. Basurangan, Convener, Administrative Committee, TRCMPU, said the previous board could not incorporate several bylaw amendments, including the one that stipulated district-level representation. IBM has announced that it has set up a new facility offering clients business processes, operations, consulting from IBM Consulting in Hyderabad, Telangana in India. The new facility will be focused on business process operations across several domains such as finance and accounts, procurement and supply chain, human resources and recruiting, and industry-specific process including risk and compliance. With this facility, IBM Consulting can help clients achieve their digital transformation goals, leveraging talent and IBM's comprehensive capabilities in process re-engineering, data and technology. Empower, India's fast and largest accelerator program for women entrepreneurs, concluded its 6th edition with top 10 contenders participating in the finals on November 12th at the BSC Convention Hall in Mumbai. Serin Mediproducts Private Limited from Pune emerged as the winner of Empower 2021 and received Rs 10 lakhs in equity-free cash prize. Orderways Solution Private Limited from Bangalore and Vavilif Innovations Private Limited from Hyderabad were named as first runner-up and second runner-up and received 5 and 2 lakhs cash prize respectively. In addition, there was another award announced comprising 1 week Quebec market access sponsored by Government of Quebec, which was won by Doctoral Healthcare and Research Private Limited, Lucknow. In pharma markets in India, the leading B2B exhibitions organizer announced the 5th edition of RenewX, a 2-day renewable energy trade expo slated on November 19th and 20, 2021 at the HITEX, Hyderabad. Informa markets in India through RenewX 2021 will provide an industry platform to the renewable energy buyers and sellers, enabling them to connect and collaborate for generating business opportunities. One of the leading shows in South India, RenewX will witness a congregation of South India's green economic community to discuss industry trends, challenges and market insights. Thank you for watching the PR National News in India.